When it gets a little closer to that 70, zoom in on the screen, like right now. I haven't figured out why when it homes out it goes way one way and then way back down the other way to the starting point.
That's strange.
Yeah, that's it.